Most people chase dozens of side hustles at once. But what if you focused on just one digital product and scaled it into real passive income? Today I'll show you exactly how, step by step, and why this single focus can change your financial future. A digital product can be something simple, an ebook, a template, or a mini course. The beauty is that you create it once, and it can be sold infinitely. Imagine someone who built a $10 budgeting template. They uploaded it to Gumroad, promoted it with short videos, and now every day, even while sleeping, sales come in. That's the leverage of digital products. So how do you start? First, identify a problem your audience faces. It doesn't need to be huge, even small frustrations can be solved. For example, busy students might need a study planner, or freelancers might want a simple invoice template. Think about your own life. What's a tool you wish existed? That's often the best starting point. And here's the truth. The best products don't come from guessing, they come from listening. Pay attention to questions people ask you, or challenges you see repeated online. Second, create a solution. Keep it practical and easy to use. Don't worry about perfection. The first version can be simple. Many successful products started as basic PDFs or spreadsheets. The key is solving a real pain point. And here's the secret. People don't buy perfect, they buy useful. If your product saves time, reduces stress, or makes life easier, it has value. Third, post it on a platform like Gumroad, Etsy, or Amazon KDP. These platforms handle payments and delivery automatically, so you don't need to worry about logistics. Imagine waking up and seeing a notification. You made a sale. That's the system working for you. And the best part? You don't need to build a website or code anything, the infrastructure is already there. Fourth, automate. Set up email confirmations, thank you notes, and upsells so the system runs without your daily involvement. Automation is what turns active work into passive income. Think of it like planting seeds. You water them once, and they keep growing. And here's a mindset shift. Every automation you set up is like hiring a digital assistant that works for free, 24/7. Fifth, promote it. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts to show quick demos of your product. For example, if you created a budgeting template, record a 15-second clip showing how it organizes expenses. People love seeing solutions in action. And here's the trick. Don't just show the product, show the transformation. Instead of saying, "This is a template," say, "This is how I stopped overspending and saved $200 last month." Stories sell better than features. Once you have traction, scaling becomes exciting. You can bundle products together. For example, combine a budgeting template with a savings tracker. You can create premium versions with extra features. And you can build an email list to resell new products to existing customers. With automation, every new launch becomes easier because you already have an audience waiting. Now, let's talk about mindset. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means building systems that keep working after you stop. The hardest part is the beginning, creating that first product and putting it out there. But once it's live, every sale proves the system works. Over time, you'll see that one product can grow into a portfolio, and that portfolio can become a steady stream of income. Here's the challenge. Pick one product idea this week. Don't overthink it. Choose a problem, design a simple solution, and commit to launching it within 30 days. Even if it feels small, remember, small products can lead to big results. And if you're consistent, one product becomes two become five, and suddenly you've built a digital asset library that works for you every single day. So, which product idea would you start with? Comment below, and subscribe to Finovate for more smart money strategies.